Cheaper than mushrooms, Apple will release the budget iPhone SE2 in late March. The German website announced the release date of the budget smartphone iPhone SE2 on March 31, 2020. At the same time, several years ago they announced the original SE model. A few months after the launch of the new iPhone 11 line, Apple is due to present for the first time in 4 years its budget model, the successor to the popular iPhone SE smartphone. According to the German web portal iPhoneticker.de, the smartphone should be shown on March 31, 2020. At the same time, in 2016, Apple introduced the first SE model at a price of $400. The new version of the budget iPhone is only supposedly called SE2. Most likely, the model will receive the iPhone 9 index, since the company missed this generation in the naming of its line. Earlier, an analyst close to Apple, Minh Kuo, reported that the new budget model will look like an iPhone 8, but will receive a new A13 processor from the iPhone 11, and will come with 3 GB of RAM, and 64/128 of a gigabyte of internal storage. A couple of weeks ago, a Chinese source said that iPhone SE 2nd of May appear on the 6th of March. In addition, at the beginning of 2020, Minh Kuo suggested that in addition to the 4.7-inch iPhone SE2, at the end of the year, another version of the smartphone, with a larger LCD display, from 5.5 to 6.1 inches, can be released. The cost of the new device should also be about $400. Recall that in March 2016, Apple introduced its first budget model, iPhone SE, which received most of the components from the iPhone 6s, but was almost indistinguishable from the iPhone 5s. At the same time, SE set a record low price of $400, while for new models of the 5th and 6th generation they asked for $650. The budget model became a bestseller, and they stopped releasing it only at the end of 2018. It was after the release of iPhone SE that Apple management first set a record price tag of $1,000 on the new iPhone X smartphone.